Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Karanina and this channel is all about mindful living, general well-being, as well as a good dose of hearty food. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my own deodorant at home using natural ingredients, and it has proven to be very effective. At the very beginning, when I swapped, I found my smell wasn't as good. It was actually very strong. So I did consider going back to using deodorant in aerosol because I just like the smell of it. But I noticed I had to keep using it quite often. So I decided to make this recipe at home and I gave it a go. After about, I would say probably about a month, maybe 2 weeks at the least, it took for the sweat smell to go away, or at least not to be as strong as it was when I first started. I don't have anything to prove that it actually works. The only thing that I know is that now my sweat is nowhere near as smelly as it was when I was using the aerosol deodorant. Plus, I don't sweat as much and my clothes don't get that awful yellow stain, which I found really annoying. So now this not only natural, actually very easy to make and affordable. So if you're interested in finding out how to do it, let's get into it. Okay, so we're gonna start making the deodorant. For this, we're gonna need 4 ingredients and an empty tin or container, whichever one you have available at home. So the first ingredient is arrowroot. Now this is going to help us absorb moisture as well as keep odors to a minimum. For this, you're going to need 2 tablespoons. The second ingredient we have is beeswax pellets. These ones are cosmetic grade and these ones have anti-inflammatory properties that will help soothe irritated skin. For this, you're going to need 1 tablespoon. The third ingredient we have here is coconut oil. So now this contains fatty acids that help hydrate and protect the skin, as well as has antibacterial properties. Of this, you are going to need 2 tablespoons and it has to be melted. And last but not least, we're going to have some massage oils, just any that you have available. In this case, I have this one that is lime, and it's proven to be really very good, very efficient, as well as it will give you a very nice scent. So to make it, we are going to pour all 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into a glass container, and now we're going to put our beeswax pellets in it to try and help it melt. Just use a spoon and just keep stirring. If you find that they are not actually melting, you can just pop them in the microwave for a little bit and then stirring. Okay, so now this has been in a microwave for about 2 minutes on full power, and I was taken out every 30 seconds just to stir it. So now you're gonna go in with the arrowroot and I just stir it. Now you're gonna see that it's going to start to become a paste, and now we're going to start pouring some of the massage oil. So I'm just gonna put, I don't know, just a tiny bit, and I just stir it well. Oh, this really smells so good. Okay, so now once you've finished, just grab your empty container. Okay, so now we're going to pour this in. Put it in there. Now as you can see, it has started to set. Depending on where you are and how hot it is where you are, it will take longer or shorter to set. You can always just pop this in the fridge and just let it set. It will probably take about an hour, maybe less. And then once it's set, then you can just keep it outside and it will stay in the set state pretty much unless it gets very hot outside. So now this is the one that I had already, and as you can see, I nearly finished, but it's about the same size container. It was the same quantity and it's lasted me probably about 2 months so far. And what I use, I normally use the back of my nail to scrape some of it. This is normally the amount that I require every morning on each armpit, but it's very effective and I will definitely recommend. So just
close it and put it in the fridge.
So here you have it. Wasn't that just easy? By just buying in bulk your products, then you can just create this recipe at home as many times as you need it. I hope that you really enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any upcoming videos, and on to my next video. Stay strong, healthy and happy.